Okay, it's been a while since I've done a video. I just wanted to talk a little bit about this knife I got. This is the Mercator. Uh, this knife has been used, well, has been produced, I should say, for about the last 150 years, if one can imagine that. Um, it is, sorry about the quality of the video. Again, I don't have a good camera right now, but this is the best I can do right now. Anyways, so this is the Mercator. Uh, It is the K55, or I've heard it also called the Meerkat 55, and it is made in Solingen, Germany. Um, it has been in production more or less since around 1867, which would mean, of course, that this knife has been produced in pretty much the exact same style for the last, what, 150 years or so. Um, I've always wanted one. I've always thought they were really cool, so I recently got this. Just thought I'd do a quick review about it. Real nice blade, really thin knife. You hardly notice it if it's in your pocket. You could stick this in your watch pocket on your jeans, and it's not even noticeable. We open the blade up. Of course, again, I'm using a tablet to make this video, so unfortunately this is not what I would love to do, but I have no choice right now. There's the blade open. Uh, Again, you get an idea there. The blade's about 4 something inches long, about 4 3/4 maybe. Uh, Again, Solingen steel, Mercator it says there. This is the carbon blade edition, so to speak. They also make one in stainless steel, and it would be so marked if it was. Again, this one is not. This one is just the standard carbon steel, and I prefer that. I think they keep a better edge, basically. This knife would have been used in World War II also, if it was that old. Obviously, this was not. It's new, but these would have been used by German troops during World War II as well. Of course, these were never issued to them. From what I understand, this was just one of those things that people bought. Soldiers would buy these and keep them as a, backup knife or whatever. The lock blade is really, really, really good. It will not budge. You cannot budge that. And so that unlocks here on the back. Push this in and shut the knife. Again, I apologize for the quality of this. It's terrible quality, at least in my opinion, from videos I used to make. But there you go. So just a really cool little knife. Be good for daily purposes. I'll probably use it when I'm out gardening, things like that, But just a real handsome piece of work here. It's all metal. Your handle here is made of metal, obviously. You've got a little lanyard here if you needed to use that. Maybe attach that to some paracord and attach it to your jeans or something, belt loop. Overall, really neat. This one cost me $26. So I would highly recommend it. Just an interesting piece of history, considering the fact that it's a knife that's been produced, a locking folding knife that's been produced for 150 years without pretty much any changes. Shows that these people hit upon something 150 years ago that has withstood the so-called proverbial test of time. So anyways, I would highly recommend it. And again, if you're into World War II, this would be a cool thing to add to your reenactment uniform or that kind of thing. If you're a reenactment of World War II German soldiers or anything like that. Anyways, blah, blah, blah. Very cool little knife. Pick it up if you get a chance. Alvarado signing out.